Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Salt levels in this aquarium tank are changing fast, so let's use differential equations to model the flow and find our exact solution right now. First, we compare the rates of change by plugging 6 and 30 into our derivative formula. Since the absolute value is larger at 6, the salt amount changes more rapidly then. Next, we find the second derivative using the chain rule. Plugging in 20 pounds gives us a positive value, meaning the rate of salt accumulation is actually increasing at that moment. Finally, use separation of variables to integrate. Applying the initial condition of 0 salt at time 0 yields the particular solution for the salt function. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid mistakes. Trust the given info and check your steps.